Good morning, my name is Kelly Fitzpatrick and I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the Bethlehem Area Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a silhouette Halloween Tealight lantern with our take-home kit, which you can pick up at the Bethlehem Area Public Library at Maine. So the first thing is you're going to want to make sure you have all your pieces. I'm just going to show you what they look like. And then one piece, another piece, and the last piece. There's actually two different size circles. And then there are also 4 pieces of white paper. Now if you want to have a more see-through window, you can actually cut out parchment or wax paper and use this as a template. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the white and you're just going to take tacky glue or a glue stick and you're just going to glue this down onto the black. And then there's one, and that's what it looks like. And now this is what it should look like. So the next step is you'll notice that there's a corrugated mark on them, and you're just going to want to fold them. So the tabs are going to fold inwards towards the side that you put the white on. Right, and it'll start to look like this. Now while you're folding the tabs, you can also go ahead and fold the tabs on this piece. And then you can go ahead, fold these. Then you're going to start and take your glue, your tacky glue, a glue stick, and you're going to attach these 2 pieces together. Alright, so now you have your 2 pieces attached, and then the next part is you're going to close the lantern up, placing glue on this tab. Now that forms the base, and then the next step is you're going to start putting glue on these tabs. And start closing up the lantern. And then for the last 2 tabs, you're actually going to want to put them together at the same time. In the next step, we can glue the 2 rings together. Hold it just like that. Now the lantern base is all ready to go. The next step is the base for the lantern. You're just gonna glue the tabs and pinch it until it dries. And now the base is all ready to go. And so the last step is to make the holder for the lantern. So this is just going to roll. I'm just going to use this to kind of shape it. Or you can just do this with your hands, or you can also use the Tealight. To just shape the size. And you're just gonna hold it in place until that dries. Now that that's dry, the next step is to put this through one of the ends, putting the tabs through it. And you're going to put glue on the tabs, and then you're just going to bend them. And the base is starting to form. And the next step is to take the skinny circle, not the thick one, so this one, and you're also going to put that through the tabs. Put glue on the tabs again. And then the last step is you want to put glue on one side of the circle. And then this is just going to seal those tabs up. And then you're just going to put the Tealight inside the base. Now if you want to hang the lantern, you could go further and glue these two pieces together and then glue the lantern to the base and you can hang it. But otherwise, that's all you need to do, and then you can just put all the pieces together just like so. That's the finished lantern. I hope you enjoyed our craft, and you can come pick up your own Tealight kit at the Bethlehem Area Main Public Library. Have a good day!